Too bad we didn't wake up to this yesterday, but look how awesome. Yeah, this is Kimmy. Well, it's a white day after Christmas. Too bad we didn't wake up to this yesterday, but look how awesome. Now that looks like a snowplow. I think our neighbor plowed our driveway. Aww. Look how awesome. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to She's in Her Apron. I am cooking. I'm baking up a storm here. I'm making my Italian Christmas cookies. It is the day after Christmas, and I'm experiencing the holiday hangover. Do you know what I'm talking about? Where your adrenaline just crashes because everything is done. So I'm trying to tell my body, no, we could crash tomorrow because we have one more family Christmas party tonight. It's the adult party. We're doing like, instead of like a, well, it's like a white elephant exchange, also a Yankee swap, but it's with our favorite things. So you're guaranteed to get a good gift. And so I'm like telling my body, no, don't crash, because I'm already feeling like a cold coming on. And like, I get this every year. I think I talked about this last year. And I'm like telling my body, no, we got to get through today and then we could crash tomorrow. So I just made one batch of anise Italian Christmas cookies, and now I'm working on the lemon, and Aunt Lisa is dying for these. She was hoping I was gonna bring them yesterday for Christmas Day, but I didn't. And then cookies to my sister-in-law's house where all the grandkids are gonna be hanging out during the party, and then some for here for us to have. So I have cookies in the oven. I have some pans already rolled out waiting to go in the oven. But I need to start on the cranberry salsa. That is the appetizer that I'm bringing for tonight, and it's gotta sit and marry in the fridge for a while. It is already 1:30 in the afternoon, party's at 6, so I gotta make that. The rest of the family, they're all at a movie, and I'm here alone in the house. I have no music on, no audiobooks, nothing. Just the sound of me cooking and the dishwasher running. So, all right, I gotta keep plugging along because I seriously just want to crash really bad. Okay, I got ready for the day. Still am really out of it. So now I'm packing up the cookies. The family is home from the movies. We still gotta go get one of the white elephant gifts because mine is gonna be frozen. I'll show you.
Put in here, and then we'll tie a bow around this little cord.
My favorite thing is snow crab, so we're giving snow crab. And we're gonna see her dry eyes. And then we're gonna wrap that up. Let's see if they fight over it. So I've got these cute boxes that I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Different patterns and stuff. So I'm gonna put Aunt Lisa's in this because she has the anise cookies, and I sprinkled them differently so I would know that those were the anise. Because I don't think the kids are gonna really care much for those. Yeah, this is Kimmy. Yep, So I'm gonna hurry up and box these cookies. That way I can take care of this before I leave. But seriously, the aftermath of Christmas, the Christmas hangover, seriously, my house goes kapoof after Christmas. It depends if we're here. Like, if we're here on Christmas Day, it's not bad, and family comes here. But if it's the year we go there, like this year, ooh, doggy. And then the crash comes, and like Derek is so great to help with that. Like last night, he was helping get stuff done while I was editing, and because he knows me in the crash. I actually slept in this morning. Yeah, he worked in bed. He still had to go to work, so he worked from bed. So I really did not start this until the afternoon. I slept, but it takes me a few days after Christmas to like wake up and like feel human. Woohoo! This is so cute. Oh, there's 2 boxes to 1. Oh, nice. Okay, the kids are gonna take a box over to their cousin's house where all the kids are gonna be hanging out. Well, at least my kids and Derek's sister kids. During the adult party, they're right around the corner. All the teens will be watching each other. I don't even care that I'm sharing this with you with my house like this. Don't even care. Just don't care. Oh, it is what it is. So I'm so excited for the new year. I am ready to de-junk more, simplify my life more, get back on track with my health. I'm meeting with my doctor. We're gonna find out, we're doing a test to find out exactly what my body is intolerant to. Like, I already know it's intolerant to gluten, but I just can't stay away. But some other things, especially with the med that I'm on for my anxiety, the weight gain from it. But you guys, it's like, yes, I know I've gained weight. And I've said this on Instagram if you guys follow me. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because on my Instagram lives, I go more into this. How, like, I'm just so happy that my anxiety meds have taken the anxiety away. I still have some social anxiety that I'm dealing with, but, like, I don't even care that I've gained weight, because not feeling the constant daily anxiety is such a blessing. But seriously, we got to get control of the weight. And plus the holidays haven't helped, like, seriously. But my eating habits haven't changed than they normally, like, I do. Like, so there is an issue with weight gain there. So I need to figure that one out. But it all due time, right? Progress. Progress is enough. Progress, not perfection. I truly believe in progress is enough. Keep moving. Pretty soon, old habits are gonna die. New habits that you're trying to do, routines and things, they're gonna be your habits. Habits I didn't have before are now habits, just from keep moving. Okay, I'm gonna keep packing these up and then pick up my kitchen until we need to literally get in the car and go. So it's 4:30 right now, the party's at 6. Derek's at the store finishing the gift buying. We need to drop off Jonah's friend at her house. So we gotta go. I get a cramp like right in my butt, like I think it's my sciatic. Yeah, I am dying. a garbage can. The garbage can was under there and now it's under here.
Show them my room.
So, I'm not throwing this stuff on the floor. It's going in the garbage can. Dishwasher is going. I loaded that up. Counter is clean. Gotta wash those. Sink is clean. This corner where I baked is clean. And the stove is clean. That is progress, my friends. I still have a clump here. That's okay. But look at the progress I made. And now we're gonna go to the party. When I come home, it won't be so stressful and gross. And so progress is enough. Okay, friends, grab yourself a snack, some hot cocoa. We are going through your Christmas cards. And I will be checking my P.O. box later today, and those you will see in the vlog tomorrow. This card is so sweet. It's from Switzerland, and I can't even pronounce the first or last name. But I want to say thank you so much for your sweet note, and oh my goodness, thank you so much. From the Kenny family from New York. From the Baker family from Ohio. And their sweet 6-year-old drew us the cutest picture. Thank you so much. Look how cute this is. This is the Merkos family from Michigan. From Cindy in Kentucky. From Brianna and Nova in Michigan. From Deborah in South Carolina. Thank you for your sweet words. From the McFarland family in California. From the Vansacola family in Kansas. From the Perry family in Canada. I don't want to butcher your last name, but from Steve, Heather, Anastasia, and Jackson. From Ohio. Hello, cutie pies. From the Ward family in California. From the Lind family in New York. They're so cute. This card here is from the Dahl family from South Carolina. From the Compton family from Kansas. From Dana and Anna Marie in New Hampshire. From the Johnson family from Kentucky. And let me just say that I think you guys are a great time. I bet you were a ton of fun. Oh my gosh. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh. What a great big family. From Taylor and Andrew from Florida. From Tennessee, we have Chris, Sam, Christopher, and Adeline. From the Siverstons in Wisconsin. From the Gonzaleses in New Jersey. From the Kostick family in Pennsylvania. From Amber in Indiana. From the England family in Kentucky. From the Gauss family in Montana. From the Yesko family in Washington. From the Todders in Texas. From the Hart family in Texas. Thank you for your note. You guys are so sweet. From the Fowler family in Arizona. From the Locke family in Tennessee. From Deborah in Australia. From the Mullins family in Florida. From Devon in Wisconsin. From the Williams family in Texas. Oh my gosh, can these boys be any cuter? Oh my word. Oh my goodness, look at the beautiful Murphy family from Illinois. From the Hillmans in Texas. From Jennifer in Pennsylvania. From Alicia in Oregon. From the Lee family in Ohio. And look at all these fur babies. Yeah, my kids got quite jealous, but I said, moving on. But yours are cute. This is from Liz in Louisiana. From Mom of Two and family in Virginia. From Cassie in North Carolina. From Leah. Leah's home on YouTube. So sweet. From the Santos family from Massachusetts. And where you guys are from, Derek served part of his church mission in that town. So, pretty cool. From the Churchwell family from Georgia. Beautiful. Look at the Burnett family. How cute are they? and they're from North Carolina. From the Marsala family from Missouri. From the Casey family in Canada. From Andrea from Australia. From the Prey family in Oregon, and she sent me a recipe for the best bean and ham soup. She said it is so yummy. So I will definitely be giving this a try. Thank you so much. And from the Mel Cannon family from Pennsylvania. For my sweet friend and angel who saves me every time I need saving, my friend Kat in Florida. From Linda in Alabama, and thank you so much for your sweet gift. From Olivia in Louisiana, and thank you so much for your thoughtful gift.